Welcome to a new video from the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video but I find it very interesting, responding to several comments that you have left me. In relation to a video that I made about, before changing the sensor common rail pressure. It should be cleaned. You have given me some comments, that indeed. You have cleaned it, you have thrown, inserted, contact cleaner through this hole. The dirt has come out, and the motor works perfectly. On other occasions, you have cleaned it but this part continues to fail, and on other occasions, you have cleaned it and it has worked well for a few kilometers, and then it failed again. Let's see if it works perfectly. After cleaning it, it is money that you save, because they are not cheap parts. In other cases, if it does not work well, because it has a problem, for example, here, through this orifice, the diesel enters, it pushes a diaphragm that is inside, metallic. Then it has an analyzer, inside the part itself, which analyzes that deformation of the diaphragm. And with that it gives the information to the ECU of the pressure that is in the common rail. If either of these two parts, the diaphragm that is deformed, or the analyzer that fails, or that the part short circuits, for whatever reason, due to a failure, because it would no longer work. But always do this test, this one that you see here, you can see that the connector is broken, this. The other day did not work. A client bought this in a junkyard. I told him to buy a new one. Because these also last a long time, and you don't know the state they are in when they are used. He dropped it on the ground and the connector broke, and he cannot return it. Okay, but it is convenient to clean it. Both the hole, clean, remove the dirt, as well as clean the connector, because sometimes it can be due to rust, or dirt, so it does not give the correct values. Well, here I leave you this short video. If it has been useful to you, then do not forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.